This is Mama Mish, and today in my magic kitchen, pizza fries. Do you want to be the goat in your family kitchen? Do you want to be appreciated for all the hard work, meal planning, and gourmet repast you provide? Good luck with that. Honestly, this recipe won't get gourmet accolades, but it will most assuredly make happy campers at your table. Double, triple, or quadruple the recipe for a party. As a main or side, small or large quantities, it's a fast food collision of two favorites, pizza and French fries. You can add any toppings you like. You know what I always say. You make your kitchen magic by making food that you love the way you want it. We love to help you on that journey. Let Mama Mish make your kitchen magic. Okay?
Oh, yes. Look at that. Cheers. Happy dance. Hey, you want to try some? Sure. That's what I'm talking about.
Let's go.
You're a mess. I love you. What do you think?
I'm your mess. This is
Yes,
good.
You are.
Let's eat.